Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove your Google account from other devices, step by step. Let's get started. First, open your Google account by going to Google app or by going to myaccount.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to manage. Now, click on the Security tab. Scroll down and find the section called Manage Your Devices. Here, you'll see all the devices that are currently logged in with your Google account. Select the device you want to remove. Click on Sign Out or Remove and confirm your choice. That's it. Your account will be immediately signed out from that device. This is super useful if you've lost your phone or logged in somewhere else. And that's how you can easily remove your Google account from other devices. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Stay safe, stay secure, and see you in the next video.